My name is Galina Kurdina. I live in Toronto, Ontario, and I am a victim of mind control experimentation. Um, Today it will be a very short video regarding a lawsuit filed by Canadian diplomats in Havana and their lawyers with the Superior Court for Ontario against Canadian government. Formally against Queen, but actually against Canadian government. I will put a link to this statement of claim filed with the Superior Court of Ontario, and you will read this lawsuit. It will be very interesting for you. You will read about all circumstances, how it happened, when it happened, how Canadian government interfered with attempts of Canadian diplomats to get medical examination, how the Canadian government prohibited diplomats from discussing these issues with other people. You will read their symptoms, and I would like to stress that their symptoms have 100% are 100% the same as we experience, of course, plus we experience some other symptoms. This is my idea, this is my own opinion, a personal opinion, but it seems to me that some of these diplomats may use euphemisms when they say we experienced sounds in our heads. They do not want to reveal all the truth. For example, some of them might experience voices in their heads. I hope that this statement of claim will be very useful for you. I hope that targeted individuals will be able to file similar lawsuits against Canadian government next year. Next year will be more successful for us. I just want to say to you that when something happens to Canadian government and workers, people who work for the Canadian government, something bad, of course, they call it fascism, bad communists, bad fascists, bad Russians, bad Chinese, bad Cubans. But when the same things, even worse things, happen in Canada, and Canadian government sanctions and covers these fascist crimes against innocent civilian people, all these things are called advanced democracy. One more time, link for this lawsuit, a statement of claim, of course, will be put description. You will be able to read this statement of claim. Sorry for my speech, because I'm still tortured every night with insomnia. I fall asleep at 5, 6, 7, sometimes 9, 10 a.m. So I'm very, very exhausted. Sorry for my speech. All the best today, the 31st of December, sorry for speech. I wish you all the best. I wish you more successful and more healthy and more happy New Year for the success of our hopeless cause. Thank you for your support. Bye.